Hi, welcome to Daggett, Shuler, Attorneys at Law. Although all motor vehicle accidents can lead to serious harm, collisions with 18-wheelers disproportionately result in catastrophic and fatal personal injuries. Indeed, collisions with any type of large truck can cause life-changing or life-threatening injuries, leaving victims and their families facing high medical bills, significant lost wages, and extreme pain and suffering. And it doesn't take a high-speed accident to cause such harm either. Due to a truck's significant weight, even at low speeds, a truck will generate significant enough momentum and force to cause serious bodily injuries. However, the most serious types of 18-wheeler accidents are those caused on faster-moving highways, throughways, and interstates. Not only is the force of impact magnified on these fast-moving roadways, but the excessive force could also cause fires, leading to burns and smoke inhalation. Fortunately, the law allows victims and families who are hit by an 18-wheeler to recover compensation for their damages. This includes compensation for past pain and suffering, future pain and suffering, medical bills, lost wages, and other damages that Daggett Shuler can recover for you after being hit by an 18-wheeler. If you are involved in a collision with a big truck or 18-wheeler, you need an experienced personal injury lawyer on your side. We will fight for you and ensure that your rights are protected while you focus on rest and recovery. To learn more about how our experienced personal injury attorneys at Daggett Shuler can help you, contact us today by dialing 336-724-1234 for a free consultation, or reach out to us through our website at daggettshulerlaw.com.